Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel Body Fit and Health Cure. Today, we're going to talk about something crucial for every fitness champion out there, the warm-up. Now the question is, why warm up? The same goes for your body. A proper warm-up prepares your muscles, joints, and cardiovascular system for the demands of your workout. It helps increase blood flow and oxygen delivery to your muscles, improve flexibility and range of motion, reduce the risk of injury, boost your performance and energy levels. Before we dive into today's exciting topic, here is a soft reminder for you: please subscribe my channel and do share and like this video. As you know, sharing is caring, so please share this video to your loved ones. The warm-up routine. Here's a simple warm-up routine you can do before any gym session. Do some light cardio exercises to get your heart rate up, like 1. Brisk walking, which is moderate to fast-paced walking that elevates heart rate and breathing. 2. Jogging, which is a slow, steady run at a pace faster than walking but less intense than sprinting, commonly used for cardiovascular exercise. 3. Jumping jacks, which are a full-body exercise involving jumping while spreading the legs and bringing the hands together overhead, often used for warm-ups or cardiovascular workouts. 2. Dynamic stretches. Arm circles are gentle, rhythmic movement of your arms in large circles, working both forwards and backwards. This warms up your shoulder joints and promotes flexibility in your upper body. Leg swings are swinging your legs forward and backward or side to side from a standing position. This stretches your hamstrings, quadriceps, and hip flexors, preparing them for more demanding exercise. Torso twists are rotating your upper body from side to side while keeping your feet planted. This loosens up your spine, improves core stability, and increases rotational range of motion. Lunges are stepping forward with one leg and bending both knees at 90-degree angles. This activates major muscle groups in your legs and core, providing a dynamic stretch and preparing them for squats, jumps, and other lower body exercises. Aim for 10 to 15 reps per exercise and 2 to 3 sets. 3. Joint mobility exercises. Gentle rotations and circles for your shoulders, wrists, ankles, and hips will improve your range of motion and prevent injuries. 5 to 10 reps per joint should do the trick. Activation drills. Light exercises that target specific muscle groups you'll be using in your workout. Banded squats, lunges, push-ups, and rows are all good examples. Aim for 8 to 12 reps per exercise and 1 to 2 sets. Bonus tips. A quick jump rope session is a great way to get your heart rate up and improve coordination. Foam rolling can help release any tight muscles before your workout. Drink some water before, during, and after your warm-up to stay hydrated. There you have it. A simple but effective warm-up routine to get you prepped for any gym session. Remember, a little time invested up front can go a long way in preventing injuries and optimizing your performance. So, next time you hit the gym, don't skip the warm-up. Your body will thank you for it. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more fitness tips and tricks. What's your favorite warm-up exercise? Let me know in the comments below.